Hey everybody, Jeff here. Welcome back to the channel. Man, every day it just seems like there's more and more new bargains breaking. So I want to show you something that's happening here with Milwaukee with their free battery deal here. And this is one of the deals. And I know one of our visitors who saw our video yesterday, our live stream from Home Depot last night, had mentioned that he got this kit here. Now this kit is actually on the board, and I'll show you here. Let me just take a quick moment here. I'm going to show you some of the deals that were on that board last night in the store because they are available online here. So some people are thinking that they're only in store, but no, you can get these deals online. And I'm going to show you in a minute here how with just a click of a button, we're going to open up an entire array of these deals that are going on right now with Milwaukee with the free batteries, because these are $150 batteries here. Okay, so if we just take a quick minute here, let me show you what we showed last night in our live stream when we got to that section there featuring the Milwaukee deals. Cap right here. So this, they got some, this is part of that Milwaukee buy more, save more thing right here. No, this one, what they're doing here is if you buy one Select M18 kit here, they're going to give you one of these batteries right there. But if you buy two Select M18 kits, you get two batteries. And these are the XC, well, that one's the 5.0. These are the XC 6.0s there. So man, so there's all the kits that are part of the promotion here. So they finally got it up. We knew it was coming in this store, but I don't know why they didn't have it up yet, because all the other stores had it up already there. See? So they took a little bit off of a couple of the kits there. But yeah, man. Okay, so there was confusion from people, and myself included, because if you look here, as I showed the poster on the right-hand side of the display there, I thought everything was fuel, because all you see is fuel, fuel, fuel. But you can see that $179 circular saw there, right? So that one is not a fuel. It's a 7.5 inch, but it is not from Milwaukee's fuel line. So really what this is it's basically a bunch of tools from the M18 line, although a lot of them are the fuel. Yeah, so just kind of memorize for a moment some of these tools here, because we're going to be looking at these online here. The little mini sawzall there, the grinder, the circ saw, the jigsaw, the impact, and the SDS. Okay, then if you look at the left side of the poster, you remember I showed you here this. So there's those two kits there. One of them is the two-tool kit. That's just the regular brushless. But then below it for $349, you see the M18 fuel two-tool kit. That's the one we just showed you on the screen. So let's go back and take a look at it here on the Home Depot website. Okay, so coming back here to the Home Depot site, here it is. You can see it's a special buy, and it's 34% off. And so for $349 here, what they're doing is they're throwing in this 5.0 battery. This is the XC 5.0, the 5 amp hour battery. And this battery is normally $150 on its own. So you're getting a pretty good deal here. Now, what does this toolkit normally cost on its own? Let's find out. So if we come over here to Amazon and look, they're charging the same $349, but you're not getting that extra 5.0 amp hour battery. You're just getting the two that comes in the kit. Whereas if you come back to Home Depot here, you can see you're getting three batteries here. You're getting the two that normally come in the kit plus this extra, and they're all 5.0 amp hour batteries. Now you can confirm all that by coming down here and looking to see what comes in the kit, where it says what it includes. See right here? But right here it says 3 M18 red lithium XC 5.0 batteries. So that is a pretty good deal there. Okay, now if you remember, I told you I'm going to show you how we unlock the key here to open up a lot more than what we previously thought was on sale based on that poster in the store last night. So apparently there's a lot more online available. So apparently there's a lot more Milwaukee M18 fuel tools online here to get this Milwaukee tool discount. There's more online here than they were showing in the store. So let's go take a look here. We're going to go over here and hit this. See this link that says view the collection right up here at the top? Okay, so you can see here that it's bringing up more toolkits here for us to take a look at that are more than what we saw in the store. So let's take a peruse through some of these. And they even have some here for the M12s as well. You can see there's just numerous kits available here at these special buys. So you can see as we scroll down the page here, there's 48 different kits here offering different configurations, and I'm sure there's going to be something here to please everybody. I would just make sure that when you read through your kit before you buy it, make sure that you're getting what you think you're getting. Make sure you're getting brushless, or if you were expecting an M18 fuel, make sure it says fuel, because there are all sorts of mix and matching going on here, folks. Okay, so now here we're looking at that $179 circular saw that was on the board there that I showed you in my live stream from Home Depot yesterday. And so this is the one here with the battery. See, here's your 5.0 battery. And some people were erroneously thinking that it's only available in certain stores, but here you can get that deal right now online. And look at this, you can see right here, it's 42% off. And if you look down here at the lower right, you can ship it to the store, ship it to your home. So these are available online. If you don't see these in your local Home Depot, then just go online and get it. And I'm pretty sure you could probably get free shipping. So one thing I wanted to point out to you was that when I kind of looked at that board last night really fast, I didn't realize until I came home and checked it later. This circular saw is not an M18 fuel. It is a regular M18 and it is brushless, so it's still going to be pretty good. Now this one is the 7 1/4, which is your standard size. But what I want to do is take a look at the other saw that's in this deal that most people don't know is in this deal. Okay, this is the other one. This is a great one, dudes, because if you're looking for an actual Milwaukee M18 fuel version of their circular saw, here it is right here. It's $219 and it's also 40% off, as you see here. And it does come with this XC 5.0 battery. So that's what's really cool about this. The only thing I just wanted to bring to your attention here is, and I don't know why they did this, with the fuel, you would think it would be their biggest, best, top of the line saw. I don't know why they made this a 6.5 inch circ saw here, because this does one thing to you, folks. It changes your cut depth. Now, let me go check the specs here. I think it should be about 2 inches. Let me see if they're showing that on here. Yeah, right here, your maximum cut depth at 90 degrees right here is down to 2.188 inches. Now, that might be a deal breaker for some people. It might not be for others. My DeWalt DSC 575 circ saw, which is just awesome, has the most in the industry. It's 2 9/16 inch maximum cut depth. But, you know, that's probably a minor issue for most of you, but I just thought I would bring that up and let you know. And again, this one was not advertised on that board there, that poster board that we saw in the store, and a lot of people don't know that you can get this one. Now, let's check and see if this one's a good deal or not. So looking on Amazon here, well, they've only got a tool-only version, and this is used for basically $200 here. So that's nowhere near as good a deal. And here on Acme, you can see it's $219, tool only, no extra battery. And then, of course, over here on Ohio Power Tool, it's $219. So everybody is charging that same full MSRP price, but not throwing in the battery. So at least until this deal ends at Home Depot, I'd say Home Depot is really kicking butt with this deal. Okay, so now here, if you look, here's the $159 Hacksaw. This is the fuel version too. So this is the one that we saw up on the sign for $159. And see here they are giving you the free 5.0 battery. And then if you click on the view collection link here again, you'll see all the different other ones. Remember this, we showed you this, the grinder was up there on the poster as well. So all of these here, let's see if you can, yeah, so you can get free delivery to your house. And some of them you can ship to store. Let's see, here's all the rest of them. There's the jigsaw there, there's your SDS rotary hammer. And then there's other ones here that we didn't see on the stand as well. So there's numerous other versions of this that they have here with, and then here you can see where they've combined the two tools. You remember how the poster also said if you buy 2 kits, they'll give you extra batteries here. So if you're buying 2 of these tools here, they're throwing 2 batteries in, but these are the XC 6.0s. So these are the 6 amp hour batteries not that 5 amp hour battery that we were just looking at a minute ago. So if you buy one tool by itself, they'll give you a 5 amp hour battery. If you combine certain of these kits here and get 2 tools, they'll give you 2 of the 6 amp hour batteries. So you can see they're mostly here online. So if you don't see any of these in your store, you should be able to get these online. Look here, you can even buy multiples of some of the tools here as well. Now, this is funny here. After we completed that live stream there at that Home Depot last night, you know they did not have any of those DeWalt Toughsystem 2.0 boxes that I was looking for. So I ended up going to another Home Depot store. And here you can see me. I found them there. And here I am posing with it here in the store. And I was able to grab the medium box and a small box. They were sold out of the large boxes. And you can see there I am posing with my new prize there. But what was interesting was on the store shelf there, you can see that the prices were still $65 for the medium box and $45 for the small box, even though they should have been $60 and $40 respectively. And when I got up to the register, I was able to convince the cashier to change them to the $60 and $40. So it would have been $100 for the pair here. And then, of course, I used my Lowe's 10% off coupon there at the register. And you can see here on the receipt that they took an additional $10 off here, and it turned this into a $90 deal, which would have normally been $110 on the shelf if you didn't know about the deal that they were running yesterday, which quickly sold out. So if you remember our video yesterday where we told you guys about this sale that was going on online, a few people who saw our video were able to take advantage, but I think by 3 p.m. they were sold out online. So just because it says sold out online and it doesn't show any in stock, get down there anyway, because look what I did. I took a gamble, guys. I got in my car and drove 20 minutes across town and scored like you wouldn't believe. And here's the videos we were talking about. So here's the one that we uploaded yesterday afternoon and told you about the sale price going on those DeWalt Toughsystem 2.0 boxes. So if you didn't see that, you definitely want to go see it. And even if they are sold out, you can put your name in there to have them alert you when they come back into stock. And then this was the live stream we showed you last night, the first Home Depot. And then when that one didn't have the DeWalt Toughsystem 2.0 boxes, we went to the second Home Depot across town, and here's the live stream we did there, where you saw us finding them there on the shelf there. And then last night, of course, afterwards, we uploaded our latest repair video here on how to install a porch light. So we show you step by step how to do it. That's a very helpful video if you've never done that sort of project before. So anyway, we hope you found this video useful today, folks. And if you did, hey, do us a favor. Would you give us a thumbs up down below? That tells us that you like us. And if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, man, why not? You see all the great videos we give you here, the tool reviews and the how-tos and the remodeling videos. So click on that subscribe button down below. And when you do that, make sure you click the little gray bell icon next to it. That tells YouTube to alert you when we upload a new video. And you folks have a great day, and we'll see you on the next one.